top, and
a trembling, dizzy, frightened man perched on a narrow ledge. It is so quiet.
Hi, my name is Luis Salgado. I'm back here in Lawrence, Massachusetts, and I'm working with this incredible group of students and their teachers that I'm just inspired. I'm inspired by both of them. The teachers, I think, have done such a great job and do such a great job with them that what I get to see, what I get to witness of the energy the students have to offer is marvelous, it's amazing, it's inspiring.
hold. Yeah. Hold. And so now, how do you do that, right? Do you just walk? No. Or are you here? Boom. Yeah, your heart's on. Boom, 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 boom. Right? What kind of action that is? Reset. Let's try it again.
There's so many of my community, so many Latinx students, so many diverse students just feeling like powerful, knowing, understanding that they are enough, being ready for the moment with both their voice and their bodies and their minds. It's just thrilling. I didn't have this intense training in my high school.
Yeah, so your action will be to also portray how he feels inside as your voice continues to hunt. Is that clear? Yeah, let's try that again.
So what I'm doing here is furthering that work, furthering that inspiration that they have, furthering that desire for the arts that they have by bringing some opportunities. And today we're working on a new show called Barba.
Hold. Nice. Balance the space. So if you cross, most of you guys are doing it already. But if you can get down here.
Tomorrow we're gonna go see the show On Your Feet, which is on tour, a tour that I directed, choreographed, and produced. So I'm really honored to share with them. And continuing to make a cohesive relationship from what's now 3 years of knowing each other.
Beautiful.